Hello guys, do you want to know how to make this pretty flower out of crepe paper? So let's get started. Today we need white glue, scissors, ruler, a stick, and green and purple crepe paper. First, we need to wrap some green crepe paper on the stick to make the stem. To make the flower, we need a strip of crepe paper 8 cm wide and 1.8 meters long. We need to fold it until we're working with almost a square. Measure in from the side of the paper 3 cm. Mark and draw a line 3 cm from the edge. Then mark some lines about 1/2 cm apart and start cutting. Cut a small triangle on each of the tips. When you've unfolded the strip, it's then time to wind it on and stick it to the stem. With a small piece of green paper, cut some pieces out and glue it over the bottom of the flower. Then cover the bottom of that with some more green paper. The last thing we need to do is to cut 2 leaves and glue them to the stem.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button below.